me kiss. So what are we doing, Olivia? We're doing a Gideo. We're doing a Gideo. Okay, guys, so we're doing a video. I know I haven't done many videos lately, but I wanted to do one of this because this was something I've been wanting for a very long time. It is by JBL, and it is called the Flip 4. And it's one of the new devices where you can basically put a bunch of them together and play multiple music all over the house. It is a cut on where the button is right here. It is just a simple button cut on, and then turn your Bluetooth on, and it syncs together. And as soon as I got it out the packet, I was able to start using it. That's the kind that you want if you're looking for something that's portable. It's really loud. I'm not gonna play music and play it because it always, for some reason, gets my videos. Yeah, but as you can see, you can open it like this, and it has a tab pull down like so, and then there's a speaker. You have the button on top, so you just mash it and it comes on. How much I had this on all day long, and you see that it's only used one little bead. That is awesome. And when you're not using it, it cuts itself off, and you see it says the JBL right there. There's the HDMI mini plug-in, the auxiliary. Wait, baby, you supposed to be in the movie. You staying in this video with me. And then it has speaker on this side, speaker on that side. I'm almost done. Quit picking your nose. What are you doing? No, get on the camera. Look. Here, you want to help Daddy open this? Look. No, you're just ripping it. Look. So then it's books. Of course, it's your books that come with it, so you'll know what you're getting inside of your case. And it has this little cushion here to cushion that when you put it inside the box. So if you want to put it in there for safekeeping, you can. And yeah, that's the video. The Flip 4, the new JBL Flip 4 phone. It's called the JBL Harman Flip 4, and yeah, it's compatible with all phones. And it's waterproof too. Let me see. Waterproof. Just throw it in the water. You know what I mean? I don't know if you want to do that. But all right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys. I'll be back with more videos to come. I always do really good on review videos and get a lot of hits. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. You've done Talking Tech with Ghostfighter. We're out.